got a whole lot of tricks and I wanna see what you do. Say that you been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time.
I'm Brianni and I'm back again with another video. As you guys read by today's title, today I'm gonna be doing a day in my life in the arm. I'm rushing y'all, so just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do all that, tune in for all my videos. Follow all the links in the description down below. Right now I'm about to go pick up Alina from the airport. Oh, she just texted me. Dad, give them your little hair, don't play with you. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tune in for all my videos. And yeah, just stay tuned. Y'all, these are my nails.
Red and blue match so perfect.
My nails, I got them done yesterday. I'll give y'all better pictures later and stuff. Like, I'll see how I'm gonna edit this. But yeah, just stay tuned, cause we lit this whole weekend. Don't play. I'll catch you guys when we're at the airport.
The whole.
Say hi. I look ugly as fuck. Me too. I didn't get to do my hair because I didn't bring no gel or no brush. Like, I didn't bring nothing. But we're gonna get our hair done. Yes, we're gonna get our hair done later. So y'all just stay tuned, okay? My Pookie. That's my box. Vamos, venga, entralo. Hi. Hola, mi amor. Do my nails.
Now you want to show me? It's cute. Get a picture.
I didn't show her.
Señores, la mochila.
Go, hurry up. That's mad hot. And this bitch over here talking about I got a long sleeve, that bitch.
You got fucking sweatpants.
Who in their right mind comes to sweatpants?
Como el vuelo entero estaba bueno. Cuando subió y estaba como cosa, tembló muchísimo y entre medio también lo hizo. Y casi llegando.
Es verdad, no, aquí llegan, a los 10 minutos llegan.
Y yo lo voy a buscar a usted como eso de las 6, como ya las 6 cumpleaños.
We got big Sophie. Smile, Sophie. Like, show them your cheekbones. Yeah, look at your cheekbones. Let me show y'all the chips. Yeah. Those are so good.
Those are the best chips.
Move down.
Eso de 5, 5 y media por ahí yo lo busco. Está bien, pa.
Mr.
Bendición.
Mr. Fee, yo, say hi.
I'm taller than you.
Say hi. Bro, he's getting too close. So yeah, what you gotta say? What you gotta say to my vlog? Is it recording 0.5? Ugly. It looks cute. 0.5. Yeah, don't play. So Pookies, we got Lay's chips or whatever, and she got her little Coke or whatever. And then she don't play about her Coke. You got no Coke too, huh? She don't play about her Coke. She don't play about her Coke. Yo, Max is looking. Hold my mom and record.
I'm not record.
Record. No, not me, but record yourself.
No, you record yourself.
Record yourself.
You record yourself.
Dumbass. Max
What?
is too with it.
I know, thank you.
But yeah, my hair's bad, but I'm gonna get. We all gonna be baddies later. We all gonna look maxy later, so.
Gonna lie.
Yeah, and I got this to drink. Donna got this. Sophia got the red. Matthew got this. They all wanna be like me. I wanna be like me. You have to get these, dummy.
The Coke from here or the bird?
No, it's not. Wait. It's big pink. Venga. Here goes, Sophia goes. Here we go. Oh, girl, when you open that shit, it goes slow. Don't play. My drink.
It's changing colors. I get my glasses. We got a 1 second.
Oh yeah, dumb. Y'all be here. Bad board in school probably right now.
Oh, it's a question, motherfucking one. That's how you groupie hoe. Don't let me find that you
You're a groupie hoe. Stop playing with me. Oh, baby. You're so cute.
Ya.
Massively with it.
¿Y cuándo llegaste?
Anoche, pero que no podemos ver el domingo.
Why you still? Why you still?
Yeah, we eating chicken with fries.
What is it called? Pollo Victoria.
No vaso.
Wait, show them the thing.
Oh!
She was eating this nasty sauce. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do our hair and our makeup. Yo, we look mad sweaty, y'all.
Right?
But we're gonna do our hair and our makeup and then, yeah. Y'all just gotta stay tuned.
Right, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Period. Get out that down, Julio. Act up, Julio. Bitch, I caught your motherfucking phone. That's how you do me, hoe.
They say time heals.
This fool Anthony right here, he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Lately she been noticing he ain't easy. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he angry. I wish that we can change fantasy. Don't want no boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing.
I never fuck the lame cause I'm allergic. With pretty ass niggas make. I don't fuck with niggas that be lurking or be jerking. Honestly, I can't dance. Titties on fleek with a bitch on my hip. Please.
Hey, Pookies. So this is how we look. This is how we look. Makeup on fleek. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're at the party because we're just gonna do some TikToks and yeah, just vibe or whatever. Stay tuned.
Oh, yes, stay
We
tuned.
we turn tonight, y'all.
We hit the club, niggas cops feeling jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying.
Don't play with you. Like, are you stupid? Big quinceañera. Big quinceañera. I'm back outside.
Bueno, yo estoy un poco más atrasado que ellos. Yo deben de estar más adelantado, pero yo fui a buscar al abuelo de Carolyn. Carolyn y Brenda y eso andamos.
We outside, y'all. Y'all can't really see them, but what are you trying to say? We outside. We on our way to the place, y'all. We turning up. Don't play with us for real. Don't play at all. Yeah, we at the place. We wake up. Y'all, my eye is mad watering. I don't even know why. But yeah. Not gonna walk in with this charger because these hoes. So we're here. Hey, Pookies. Yeah. Hey, Pookies. One. Wait, two. Wait, one more in because I'm all the way back here. I don't want it for this. Wait, we got Don Julio. Act up, Julio. Bitch, I got your motherfucking fun. That's how you do me, hoe. Let me find that. That was deep. That was deep. Gracias. Y'all look at the place. It's so cute. Cheers. Thank you guys.
pone los pelos de gallina. Se mueve un poquito más, nos dice.
Hey Pookies, I'm Brianni. Don't mind this, it's water. We're gonna be doing a spend a day at the beach. We're rushing, so you already know. Yeah. Everybody's already in the car. And yeah, we got our food, y'all. Oh my. Like they beeping at us. We got our food, cause we like, I'm telling y'all, we was rushing, bro. So we woke up mad late. We woke up like at 2 cause we was really turned last night.
We used to go to sleep like at what, 5?
Yes, bro. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to us for all our videos, period. So yeah, we gonna go in the car. My little side car, whatever. But we got matching bathing suits. Yeah. Don't play with her. I don't even know what car we're going on. We're probably going to church. Yeah. But yeah, I just gotta stay tuned. Stay tuned for everything. I wanna go in the car that got Wi-Fi. Y'all, and my story's been acting up lately, bro. She's coming. We're gonna go in this. Done. Nobody's going in the front. But yeah. Oh my God. Y'all just stay tuned. Bear with us. Because we are messy, y'all. Bro, I didn't even have to. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're at the beach because I'm gonna definitely record a lot there. Hey Pooks. Yeah, so we made it at the place or whatever. Big YouTubers, we walking like big YouTubers for real. Recording everything. Y'all gotta stay tuned because we lit. Like what? Bro, I don't see the sun and I want to get my tan. Emma! Bro, this is embarrassing because I'm just recording like that. Because you were just there and he was like, qué lindo estoy. I don't wanna feel this type of pain again. Matthew, come stand to my vlog.
Did you see the orange Lamborghini?
No, but say hi.
Hi.
Show me glasses. Yeah, so we're at the beach. Where the fuck I'm gonna put my stuff at? Yo, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
We're about to go to the sun because I really need my tan. I don't play that. I need my tan. I want that tan. Like when I went to Cancun, y'all, like I was literally burnt. The volleyball. We don't play that. We volleyball players. We never inside. We outside. Like, are you stupid? Are you dumb? Whenever I be like, are you dumb? Don't take it as a disrespect because that's just how I am. Like I hear people be like, oh, you can't say are you dumb, blah blah. That's not disrespectful. Like I say it like are you dumb, like as a funny way, not being disrespectful. But one time, let me tell you a little story time. One time I was like, oh, I was like, I'm going to. It was the day before I was going to Cancun. I was like to my teacher, I was like, oh, I'm going to Cancun. Like, are you dumb? And she wrote me up. Like, girl,
Back outside.
back outside. Are you dumb? Never inside, outside. Look at the beach. I really don't like the beach, but look at the beach. Look at the sand. I'ma write something on the sand. I'ma write my YouTube so everybody can see it. Look at Alina. Sophie Pooks. Yeah. Perm. Let's do a oh shoot. I went to the minor Maxton. Stay in love with my accent. Stay in love with my bad. What? What is it looking for? Yeah, it's probably on. You don't understand because you're not me. It should be better than me. Why? So we vibing. That's a bitch, but you know I'll be outside with it. Fuck. Are you dumb?
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so we still at the beach or whatever. It's like, I don't even know, but we still here, like,
Your friend taught me how to do it.
you know, we still here, whatever. My hair's all messed up. I don't even care. Period. But I don't even know. We're just here vibing. We just ate. I didn't really eat because that chicken was bad. But I'll probably like put some pictures and stuff up, like that I took here, and some TikToks. Like I'll probably put something up for y'all, whatever, so y'all can see. I haven't got in the water though, cause I don't like beach. Like I just went in the water to take pictures, but not to like go in the water, you know, or the pool, or nothing. I didn't even do nothing for real. But yeah, this live and I was talking to y'all. Like y'all all so nice. Make sure you guys go join my live whenever I go live. Y'all all better join my live. My Instagram is _Brianni. That's the only account I'll be going live on. So y'all stay tuned for all that. Put some like, y'all can't see me,
The
but
iPhone 12.
we with the that's which phone? What phone is that?
iPhone 12.
Yeah, we better leave the beach, y'all. Say hi to my vlog.
I already spent it.
And we're about to do an all-nighter. We're gonna do an all-nighter today. I'll catch you guys when we're home because they're being too loud. Y'all, I'm so sick, bro. So thank God I didn't go in the water. I'm just that sick. But y'all, I'm happy. Y'all wanna know why though. Y'all wanna know why. But I'm happy.